Good day. I will present the workflow digitizing 2000 patient registration for forms for a medical clinic. Workflow steps. First, receipt of documents. All forms are counted, logged, and assigned batch numbers. Missing forms are reported before moving forward. Second, document preparation. Forms are organized, scanned, and processed with OCR. Unclear scans are rescanned. Third, data entry. OCR results are auto-filled while sensitive fields like medical history, insurance, and consent are entered manually. Validation rules prevent errors. Fourth, quality control. 10% of records are double-checked and high-risk fields are reviewed. If errors exceed 0.5%, the batch is corrected and revalidated. Fifth, supervisor verification. A final audit ensures 99.5% accuracy. Sixth, secure storage. Records are uploaded to an encrypted database, backup, and paper forms are returned or shredded. 7. Final reporting. The report includes total form process, accuracy, error summary, timeline, and compliance confirmation. This workflow was designed to be efficient, accurate, and secure. Dividing forms into batches and adding multiple quality checks ensures that we met the 99.5% accuracy requirement. Validation rules catch errors early while OCR reduce manual work. HIPAA in compliance is maintained through encrypted storage, secure handling, and control access. Time frames were estimated based on daily productivity targets, allowing us to complete all 2,000 forms within 4 weeks while keeping the process cost-effective. Challenges like unclear handwriting and address with rescanning and manual review. This workflow guarantees accurate, secure, and timely digitization of patient records. Thank you.